What's the meaning of alarmed? Alarmed. 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 Alarmed.
The word alarmed refers to a state of being anxious, fearful or disturbed due to some perceived threat or danger. It can be used in different contexts such as physical danger, health concerns, financial instability, or other types of uncertainties that cause worry and distress. When someone is alarmed, they may experience physiological symptoms like increased heart rate, sweating, and hyperventilation. They may also take actions to mitigate risks or seek help from others. Overall, being alarmed indicates a heightened state of alertness and concern due to perceived threats.